In this video I will show you how to install VSCode on LinuxMint 22. We will start by installing the latest version of LinuxMint using the Microsoft APT repository, and then we will configure the file manager to add open with VSCode shortcut to the right click menu, and then we will also look at how to update VSCode to the latest version. Remember that the version of VSCode also available from the Flatpak package manager, but you should not use that one, and that's one not the official one and has some issues. So if you have installed the Flatpak version, you can run this command to uninstall it, and next we will install the Microsoft version. To get started, go to code.visualstudio.com and download this linux.dev package. And once it is downloaded, open a terminal and cd into the folder where you save the dev package and install it using the apt install command. And when you specify the file name, put a / before the file name like this. And this is how we install the dev package locally on Debian based Linux distribution. Okay, and the installation is finished, and you might see this notice and ignore it, and it is not a error. And we can now open VS Code under programming. Now we will configure the file manager to add open with VS Code shortcut to the right click menu, and right now it doesn't have that option, and we have to configure it. And to do that, go to this URL and follow this instruction. And what we need to do, create a file name with this extension -action in this folder, and you will find this folder in your home directory, and if it doesn't exist, you can create it using this command. And then in the folder create this file, and you can create it using this command, open and create it at the same time using the code command. Code is the command of the Visual Studio Code, and you can use the code command to open files and folder from the command line with the Visual Studio Code. And then add this code block to the file, save it, and restart the file manager using this command. And now if we go to file manager and right click, you will see this option open with VS Code, and this will open this folder with the Visual Studio Code editor. If VS Code doesn't get updated automatically, you can update it using the command apt install -- only upgrade, and this is the command to apt install -- only -upgrade is the command to upgrade a single package in Debian based distribution, and with the apt command. And the package we want to upgrade is code is the name of the VS Code package on LinuxMint, and this will upgrade VS Code if there is any new version. And you can also upgrade VS Code by going to code.visualstudio.com again and download the latest dev package and install it using the apt install command like we did before, and that will also upgrade VS Code to the latest version.